Vamos a hacer más negrito aquí.
We are live, gentlemen. We're outside of the convention center where the Great American Truck Show was held here in Dallas, Texas. So why don't you go ahead and introduce yourselves? You're standing in front of a great ride, so we're here because we want to know all about that truck. So go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello guys, I'm Alexis Zapata. I'm an owner and painter at Chuy's Kustoms out of San Antonio, Texas. I'm here with a great friend of mine and a customer,
Lonnie Ramirez with Ramirez and Sons out of Hobbs, New Mexico.
All right, so Lonnie, go ahead and tell me about yourself and what you do in the trucking world.
Me and my dad own Ramirez and Sons Incorporated, general contracting, paving, asphalt, dirt work, and concrete out of Hobbs. We have about 13 trucks, all Pete's, flat tops, extended hoods. Not all as nice as this one, but pretty close. We serve all of southeastern New Mexico. Been in business for over 30 years.
Awesome. I gotta say, I was driving through New Mexico a couple days ago. It's beautiful out there. I can't wait to go back. It's a place where I can go and make some great pictures and video. And so, Alexis, why don't you go ahead and tell me about yourself and what you do?
Yes sir, 24, I'm 25 years old. I started back in San Antonio with Triple R. When I graduated, went to myself, I've been building trucks for the past 5 years, probably 4 years. Me and my dad together. His name's Chuy. A lot of people know him. We've been in business, not a long time. Thank God, we've been pretty blessed. Last year, a couple of years ago, we did a truck named Blue. We got the champion, and this year, we're showing this beauty right here behind me. And, just thankful to be here with this one.
Okay. So
yes, sir.
The show is over. So what did you guys win?
We took best engine and working bobtail, limited mileage, and best of show, limited mileage.
Wow.
Bobtail.
All right. Well, let's not keep these folks waiting. Let's take this camera off here and get a little closer, and you guys can tell us and show us exactly what you've done to the truck. All right, let's start with the front. You guys are walking away from it. Let's get close to it. Let's get
All right.
There we go.
All right, here in the front. What I did, I smoked the headlights. What usually people do, they go by, the smoke headlights with LEDs and everything. We wanted to go a little different, smoke them ourselves.
Right, stepping a little closer. So get the picture too.
Yep. And you can see, it's the OEM headlight. What we did, is just shoot a little bit of clear with that smoke kind of look. We kind of match, all the chrome things in the truck. We wanted to look that, not a lot of chrome, but a lot of detail on it.
Okay.
The name of the color, it'll be dark saddle brown. It's not a common color, but at the end, in the sun, looks beautiful.
So dark saddle brown. What was why that color? It's a really earthy color. So tell me why that color.
Why the original color of the truck? It's that color. The owner right here. He's the one that picked the truck. It's a 2018 glider kit. What we did, change the color a little bit. Went a little darker. Make the flake a little thicker, and that way we'll give it this look, Okay. And so you can see it right there.
So you said you made the flake a little thicker. Explain how you did that.
We just kind of did on the metallic, added a little pro, which is thicker than the original. That way it'll give it that look in the sun.
Nice.
Yeah, and then the black, that's a custom color with the special effect pro. And the red also. Customer, he's the one that told me in the colors, I want this color, I want that color. And then I just went ahead and gave him,
Yeah, so what are you over to having dreams of colors that you want, Lonnie? You wake up and you call him on the phone and say, all right, this is the color I want.
No, I have no style.
Yeah?
So my wife had a lot to do with this, and so did my daughter.
Okay, all right,
And
now we know.
We threw all kinds of colors, but the truck's a 2018 389 extended hood, Thompson glider, from Memphis, Tennessee.
Okay, so let's open the hood.
All right.
I'll hold that microphone for you.
All righty.
So you said you guys won best engine?
Yeah,
Or
well,
best paint, or-
we won the best engine. Thank God, we did excellent right here on the details that you can see on the filter. We went and do that look, same as the truck. The red stripe with the black stripe. If you can see over here, fan shroud and the fan, it also matches the truck. We took it almost all apart, painted it, matching the truck. Drive shaft right here, it's that red. If we go and look underneath the truck, all the drive shaft, they'll look the same, We kind of go with the scheme, everywhere as we could,
Nice.
Also, brake drums, they're matching the truck with the little red stripe around it. If you want to go inside and look at it.
I don't know if we can get the camera in there. I'll take a peek with my eyes. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Yep.
Let's see what we got there. Not sure if the folks can see that there, but that looks nice. It's not often that you'll get on that side of the truck to look at that.
Yeah. And then the frame, it was a basic black. I kind of went. We stretch it.
You need to be on the other side of the camera.
Yeah, right here, sanded it, prep it, and then shoot the same black as over here. That way we'll have the same match and everything.
Okay. So
Go ahead. We added the lights, the bars, chopped the filters, Badass Kustoms, cat panels, trucks, battery covers, stainless. They were stainless. We went ahead and painted them. Then we painted the logo. He didn't want stickers, so we went and painted them. And kind of did the whole truck. We sanded it, painted the stripes, painted the whole thing. If you want to take a look in the inside also.
Absolutely.
We painted the dash. We went and took the floor out and put an aluminum floor. And then the dash matching the truck with the paint scheme and everything.
So, Lonnie, question for you. What are the plans for the truck after the show's over? So what's going to go on with this truck here?
Well, the truck will go back to San Antonio. It still lacks a little bit of work done. New stick shift, minor details that we didn't have time. They only worked on this truck for 6 weeks. And they did an amazing job in 6 weeks, day and night though.
Wait a minute, you said that, so you picked it up from Tennessee six
Yes,
weeks ago?
About 6 weeks ago?
Yeah. About time. Yeah.
All right, well, I got to say, that is not a whole lot of time to get a truck repaired.
Yep.
And to get somewhere and win some awards with.
No, sir. So we're it's going back to San Antonio for a few more weeks. And afterwards, we'll take it home and
Okay.
probably...
Go over there, step over there closer to the microphone, if you will.
Probably take it back home to Hobbs and maybe pull a load or two with it, play with it a little bit.
Okay.
Take it to a local car show or something.
Right.
And then we'll eventually bring it back to Alexis and they'll airbag the front and maybe have some plans on changing out the stacks and changing out the rims and everything for next year, hopefully.
Yes,
come
sir.
back even better.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this truck is not done. So we expect to see some more of this thing along the way, huh?
Yeah, over here, we added the custom T-bars. This is not body, we built them. We built the rear one and the front one matching, also the truck had a wheelbase of 275, I think, and we went ahead and stretched it to 295. Right here, we went and do the stripes matching the truck. Also a custom deck plate. We went and did it. The frame boltless. It has the bolt, but kind of shave them, make it look a clean look, and the back, we kind of did that design, that way you won't have just a straight stripe, but at the end, I like how it came out.
Very nicely done.
Here,
how many lights are you running on the truck total there? And tell me the brand of lights that you have.
the brand that we have, their trucks, the Dual Revolution. It's a purple and red or purple and amber, and
About 157 lights, sir, total.
About 157 lights total. And then, you know, if we keep going on the details,
Sure.
if you can see right here in the airbag, we got a red, you know, stripe right there matching the truck. The stripes going, you know, all the way to the back and the deck plate. We're replacing the fifth wheel also. Once we get back to the shop, we're putting an aluminum fifth wheel, make it look a little bit nicer. And I mean, I don't know what to say, man. I mean, I'm just excited.
Sure. What I can say is that some guys don't bring their trucks to the show unless they're completely done with it.
Yeah.
And I got to say, it takes a lot of you know, a lot of gumption to come out
Yep.
with a truck that could be, you know, it's not where you want it to be. So,
Yes,
but
sir.
to win those, you know, win those awards here in Dallas, along next to some other great equipment, I got to say, hats off to you guys. So.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. And I
Yep.
know usually I do these interviews inside in a controlled situation, but I had to hop on the opportunity since you guys were out here, and so I appreciate you guys stopping and allowing everybody to have a closer look at the truck.
No, we appreciate what you
Yeah.
do also.
Yes, sir.
right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're going to go ahead and end this video here, and for those that are watching, stay tuned. We have another video coming up with another gentleman here in just a moment.
Thomas.